Heirloom Recipes, Uncovering Culinary Treasures. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and appetizing topic, heirloom recipes. These aren't just any recipes, they're treasures passed down through generations. Let's dive into the world of culinary heritage and understand why these recipes are so special. Heirloom recipes are more than just instructions for cooking. They are a part of family history and culture. Typically, these recipes have been passed down from one generation to another. They are cherished for their unique flavors, traditional methods, and the stories they carry. These recipes often include traditional dishes, unique family creations, or even adaptations of classic recipes that have been personalized over the years. Heirloom recipes hold a special place in people's hearts. They are not just about the food but also about the memories and traditions associated with them. Each recipe often has a story, maybe about the person who created it, a special occasion it was made for, or how it has evolved. They connect us to our past and help preserve cultural heritage. For many, cooking an heirloom recipe is a way to remember and honor their ancestors. How do you know if a recipe is an heirloom? It's not always about how old it is, but rather its sentimental value and continuity. An heirloom recipe is often handwritten, passed down through recipe cards, or taught in family cooking sessions. These recipes might show signs of age, with well-worn pages or annotated margins, reflecting years of use and adjustments. For English language learners, understanding heirloom recipes can be a delightful way to learn more about English-speaking cultures. These recipes offer insights into regional dialects, cooking terminology, and cultural practices. They can be a window into history, storytelling, and the evolution of language within families and communities. I hope you enjoyed learning about heirloom recipes and the rich cultural and linguistic heritage they embody. These recipes are not just instructions for cooking. They're stories, memories, and a connection to our past. Next time you come across an old family recipe, remember, it's more than just a list of ingredients. It's a piece of history. Happy cooking and learning!